Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how to see any object in template mode. So whenever we click on this option we can see the object in render flag, and when we select the object and click here below the render flag, option is called template. Here it's written when we hover the cursor on this option. So whenever we click on this option it will appear in the wireframe mode in the viewport, and this is called template. So in template we can see the outer wireframe of the object, and then we can position it wherever we want. So if we click here on the render flag, then it will be in both, means in render flag and as well as in template mode. So if we don't want, we can click again by coming over here, and now we can keep the template flag on the box, so we can see the wireframe on the box.